Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Thursday morning. It is now the 21st day of March 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the Home Weather Office. And as I look out the window, man, it's another beautiful day. Got a cloud or two out there, but otherwise just another terrific day. We will see some more clouds this afternoon. And of course, by tomorrow, we're going to see some rain and some pretty good snow in the Sierra. One of my concerns here is that some people may be caught off guard by the snow in the Sierra because we've had this stretch of nice weather, but we will likely see more than a foot of snow in the Sierra between Friday night and into the day on Saturday. And so we'll have chain controls, we'll have slow travel, that sort of thing. So if you are heading that way, just know that you are heading into some heavy weather in the Sierra above 5,000 feet during the day on Saturday especially. And for the valley, what we'll be seeing is the chance of thunderstorms. So we'll go through that here with the morning models and show you what it is that we are anticipating. So let me start with the satellite. It's interesting that the usual satellite source that I use isn't working this morning, but there's always a backup. So what we have here is nice clear skies over California, a couple of clouds here and there. But this is the weather system that we're looking at. It's tough to tell, but there's a low out here, nice stream of moisture out ahead of it. And we will see this come our way. But during the day today, especially this morning, we'll have a lot of sunshine, but there will be more clouds coming our way during the afternoon. And then tomorrow will be a mostly cloudy day with the rain developing. Now, one of the things I always work on here is trying to find the exact timing of when it's going to start to rain. And keep in mind that, I'm going to show you two different versions of when the rain may be starting or what tomorrow may be looking like. But you got to keep in mind that, the models, they aren't exact. But what the great Dickie Dunn would say, that they're just trying to catch the spirit of the thing. So let me show you what the HRRR is showing. So this is tomorrow afternoon. I'll stop it here at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We have rain in Lake County, we have rain down off the coast. It's still quiet in the valley. The other thing that you'll notice here is that if you look at the isobars, the black lines, they aren't really stacked up against each other, which means that there's not going to be a lot of wind in the valley. It'll get gusty in the Sierra. You notice that especially in the southern Sierra, the ridgetops will see some pretty strong winds. But for the valley and the foothills, we're not talking about a really big wind event here. This is around 6 o'clock in the evening. The rain still isn't into Sacramento yet, or the valley, or the foothills, or Sierra. But as we get into the evening hours, then it does start to rain. This is around 9 o'clock at night. So 8, 9 o'clock, we have rain up and down Highway 49. The snow level will start around 6,000 feet. And then we will see a nice little 1/4 of an inch of rain, something like that in the valley before it breaks up. And then this model only goes through Saturday morning at 5 a.m. And at that time, the snow will be a little bit better in the Sierra. So that's the way the HRRR shows it. I want to show you the NAM Nest because it's going to show things just a little bit differently. But that's why we look at more than one model. This is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We are still dry, but there is rain from Butte County to the north. And then this is around 5 o'clock in the evening. A couple of showers popping up. So it does look as though much of the afternoon in many areas will be dry, but don't be surprised if there's a stray light shower out ahead of it. Now, the NAM isn't showing as much of that solid area of rain that the HRRR was showing, but still this is about the same thing. This is around 9, 10 o'clock at night, some steadier rain, snow level up above 6,000 feet, and then dropping as the colder air comes in. Watch this area right here. Let me go back over that. This is during the overnight. Watch how the snow, see how the snow level isn't that great? And then it drops down. So yeah, just see how the snow gets going and the snow level dropping down to about 5,000 feet before the sun comes up on Saturday morning. But we could get a quick foot of snow. And then the NAM Nest goes out a little bit farther in time. And what you'll see here are these little showers. Let me just switch modes here and go to this version of it. And what you'll be able to see here as we go into Saturday afternoon, this is Saturday, I'll stop it here, late morning. Little areas of rain going through, but then as we get into the afternoon, you get more of these sort of things, these discrete cells, and this would be thunderstorms. Right now, it looks as though, I would say anywhere from Modesto to Butte County is probably going to have the chance of some of these. Maybe the better chance will be from Sacramento to the north, but again, I wouldn't rule out a chance of a thunderstorm in Stanislaus County or in the spots along Highway 49 from Plymouth all the way up to Grass Valley. But I would say that Butte County probably has a really good chance of these, the Roseville area. And again, this is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, as you can see. These would also contain some heavy downpours, hail, that sort of thing. The atmosphere doesn't look very twisty, so the possibility of funnel clouds or tornadoes right now doesn't look that great. But it does look as though we could see some pretty good thunderstorms in the valley on Saturday afternoon. I'm going to show you the NAM itself. I show you the NAM Nest, which is the higher resolution version, but the NAM itself goes farther out in time. I want to show you this because then we get into the day on Sunday. This is Saturday night, one more area of rain going by perhaps, and then this is Sunday morning at 5 a.m. I think the trend on Sunday is to maybe have morning showers and snow and then clearing as we get into the afternoon. This is 5 in the afternoon. Probably some light snow in the Sierra, but the valley will be dry. It does look as though Sunday is going to be the drier part of the weekend, if you will, but even there, we may wake up to a couple of showers and still some snow in the Sierra. And the other thing is it's going to be quite a bit colder. The temperatures have been in the mid to upper 70s lately. Yesterday, Sacramento hit 78 degrees. Today, we'll likely make the 70s again. But by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday, we're looking at highs, 60 to 64, something like that. So it is going to feel quite a bit colder. And then as we go through next week, the temperatures will not be returning to the 70s. At least I don't see that yet. So it'll be a while before we see more of this, mild spring weather that we've been seeing lately. So that's what I've got for you this morning. It being a Thursday, there will be a Facebook live chat tonight at 8 o'clock. So you can dial up your questions and I'll take a somewhat deeper dive into the possibility of those thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon, as well as answer any of your questions you might have about the weekend. And of course, I'll be on TV at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. So get out and enjoy the sunshine today, the mild temperatures while we have it. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.